Hi, my name is Reese LaFleur and I love long walks at the beach and macaroni and cheese and shrimp.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be all about me. It's going to be a get ready with me, and I'm going to tell you some quick fun facts about me, maybe like 10, because you know it's summertime and I do my summertime routine, so it doesn't take me that long. But I wanted to do a little bit of a video where you guys could get to know me a little bit more. Yeah, so before we get into the get ready with me, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell down there for notifications so that anytime that I do upload a video, you are notified. Comment down below, share this video with your friends. Let me know if we have something in common. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you join the flower gang. See you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Okay, flowers, let's get right into it. I've already done my brows. I usually don't do my brows on camera because I just need to focus. My face is already primed. I primed my face with my Luminizer base from Dr. Brandt. Luminizer primer base. You see I beat this up. I love this primer. It's my favorite primer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go and start talking. Yeah. And we're gonna apply my BB cream from It's You Sistar Cosmetics, and this is like my summer go-to foundation. So the first fact number 1, is you probably already know this. Like when I start talking, like most people probably figure this out as soon as I open my mouth, but I'm from New York City. I am from Harlem, to be exact. I was born and raised here by way of Liberia, so both of my parents are from Liberia, but my father is actually half Guyanese. So I'm technically 1/4 Guyanese and 3/4 Liberian, because my dad's mom is also Liberian. His father is Guyanese. So that's one fact. Okay. Where y'all from? Where y'all from, girl? Where all my subbies from? Fact about me is that I went to a black college. So I went to college some odd years ago. Mind your business, we ain't getting that personal. And I went to a HBCU, and the name of my college is Johnson C. Smith University, and it's in Charlotte, North Carolina. And that is all my alma mater. My degree is actually to the right of me, sitting there looking cute and pretty or whatever. So yes, I do have my college degree in public relations and mass communications, and I actually work in that field. My boyfriend, my love, my baby, who you will meet this month in a way, because we're going to start doing mukbangs together. So that's going to be super fun. Like, I'm so excited to introduce him to you guys in his own way. He probably won't get on camera, but you will know his voice. I'm gonna be like Aaliyah J with it. Okay, another fun fact is I have, how many tattoos do I have? I have 6 tattoos and 4 piercings. 6 tattoos and 4 piercings, and I want more tattoos, and I don't want more piercings. I actually lost my nose ring. I need to go get a new one because that's my nose ring. So this is my Sistar It's You concealer, and this is my favorite concealer. You guys see this a lot, but I've been trying to like make sure I use all my other products that I have, because why did I spend my money on it if I'm not going to use it? You feel me? You figure deal me? Okay, I have 1 brother and 1 sister. That's the next fact. I have a brother and I have a sister. I am the middle child. My parents are still married, and we all still live in New York City. I still live in Harlem. I live by myself. Yeah, that's a nice fact about me. I do actually have like a lot of stories. So during my mukbangs, you'll see a lot of story times and things like that, which will be nice and dope as another way for y'all to get to know me, because I don't want to just be this girl that just gets up on y'all screen and just be like, yo, watch my videos, I do hair, I do makeup. Like, I want y'all to know me on a personal level. Like, let's be girlfriends, let's be flower friends, like, let's be flower gangs. Like, once you get in the flower gang, like, once I jump you in this for life, sis. This is gang land. You feel me? So you might as well know me. Did I just say that I would jump y'all in? Okay. Y'all, another fun fact, I am goofy as shit. If you watch my videos, you know I am goofy as hell. Like, I'm super silly. Like, I love to laugh, you know, all that goodness. It's so funny because now that I'm talking about story time, I have had a lot of, like, interesting things happen to me. And it's so crazy because, like, I go through life and I try to be so nice and so good. But I've had, like, a lot of crazy things happen to me. Like, for real. Like, on some, like, crazy, like, yo. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? My life. So I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer in the summertime. If you saw my summer routine video, actually, I'll link that up here below. Up here below. I'll link that up above in a card so you can see how I do my summer makeup, because I'm not necessarily explaining it. This is all about talking. But this is my Black Radiance banana powder, and we're going to set the face with that because it is humid today. It's going to rain today, so you already know it's going to rain. You got to make sure we nice and set. But I don't contour in the summer because, like, ooh, why? Why, sis? Why are we doing that? Why are we adding all that extra shit to us? We love each other, because to know me is to love me. I've only had 4 boyfriends. I'm on my 4th boyfriend in my entire life. How old do I think I am? How old do I look to y'all? Like, seriously, guess my age. My birthday just passed 2 weeks ago. A little bit over 2.5 weeks ago. No, 2 weeks ago in 2 days. Like, I just turned a new age. How old y'all think I am? Like, seriously. Don't violate me. But yeah, so I only have 4 boyfriends, and I'm on my 4th boyfriend. He gonna be my last because we locking him down, sis. Because when you find you a good nigga, you gotta lock that down. When you find you a good nigga, what I say? What we say? You gotta lock that down, okay? So we locking that down. He not going nowhere. I hope he can hear me because he in the next room. Lock it down. So now I'm going to go on my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And this is the medium to dark palette. And I'm going in with that contour shade. And this is going to warm up my face and add a little bit more contour. As you can see, well, not a little bit more, contour, because we in contour. The fun fact about me, which is really funny, is that when I was younger, y'all, I used to write books, like whole, like, True to the Game, like, you know, hurrah, Zane books. Like, I have finished books. I have like 2 or 3 finished books. And I used to take them to school when I was in high school. And I used to let all my friends read my books. And it's so funny because I actually still have those books. They all handwritten. And one day I think I might go back to that and just like write me just like one book just to see. I think that is so funny that I used to write them books like that. Like, because I didn't know what I was talking about. I had no idea about that life. I'm still not really about that, like, hood rat type life. I'm not about that. Like, this is my ColourPop So Retrograde pressed blush. Like, let me say something. When I said I didn't know nothing about that, that is this. Yeah, so the next fact about me is that I love to travel. Like, eventually, once I get a good vlog camera, I'm going to start doing travel vlogs with y'all so y'all can see, like, how I love to go away. I love to experience new cultures and stuff like that. I think that's one of the benefits of not only having another culture or growing up in another culture, but also living in New York City, because you get to see a whole bunch of cultures. You get to try different foods. You get to, you know what I mean? So this is my monthly setting spray. I need more. So I'm going to do my eyelashes, I'm going to get my clothes, and we'll see what I'm wearing today. And I'll come back with a few more facts. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. My lashes are done. And this is what I decided to wear today. I wanted to keep it nice and casual, which means I didn't want to get dressed. It's like today when it's humid and it's gonna rain, I do not like to get dressed. Like, that's a fun fact right there. The weather literally dictates what I wear, how I feel. I don't know if it's because I'm a Cancer, but the weather really does affect me, like more so than anything else. So like if the weather is bad, I am not gonna get super cute. I'm not gonna honestly do anything like super cute. So we casual today. And y'all, please don't treat y'all weave like mine. Another fact about me is that when it comes to my wigs, and that's why I wear wigs, I literally enjoy the fact that I could be lazy with hair, which is why I try to make sure I get good quality hair. All right. Let's come out and say. Okay, so that's pretty much my quick get ready with me, fun facts about me. I'm gonna go finish my hair because I'm in a rush now because I'm actually kind of late. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and join the flower gang, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.